In this video, we'll show you how to control the audio volume using the right mouse button and mouse wheel with AutoHotkey. First, download and install AutoHotkey if it's not already installed. Next, create a new AutoHotkey script. Edit the script by a text editor. Add the necessary script code to control the audio volume with the right mouse button and mouse wheel. Now, run the script to test if it works. As you can see, it worked perfectly. Finally, copy the script to the Windows Startup folder. This ensures the script runs automatically every time you log into your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.